Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Klarna at Walmart in store. First, download the Klarna app to your smartphone and set up your account. It's a quick process. Next, link your preferred debit or credit card to your Klarna profile. This ensures a smooth transaction when you're ready to shop. Make sure you have enough funds or available credit for your purchase. This preparation will make your in-store experience seamless and convenient, allowing you to split your payments easily. Once you're at Walmart, gather all the items you wish to purchase. When you reach the checkout, simply tell the cashier you'll be paying with a card. Then, open your Klarna app and select the in-store option. You'll generate a unique, one-time virtual card for the exact total of your shopping cart. This card is specifically designed for your current transaction, ensuring security and ease of use. It's a straightforward process to get your payment ready. With your one-time card generated, you'll input the card number, expiration date, and security code into the card reader at the checkout. Treat it just like a regular credit card. After the transaction is approved, you'll confirm the purchase within your Klarna app. You'll then receive your receipt, and your payment will be automatically split into 4 interest-free installments, paid every 2 weeks. It's a simple way to manage your budget while enjoying your new items. Remember, always generate a new one-time card for each separate in-store purchase at Walmart. Do not try to reuse a previous card. Also, be mindful of Klarna's payment schedule to avoid any late fees. Payments are typically due every 2 weeks. While Klarna is widely accepted, some specific items, like certain gift cards, might not be eligible for purchase with a one-time card. Always check the terms for a smooth shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.